What is going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick one for you. We're just gonna go over my belly burner smoothie that I eat daily. I don't know, maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to do this within 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna need, frozen fruit of your choosing. Now I will say you can use any fruit. There's probably some fruit that's better than others, but I like to use the mixed fruit batch from Walmart. Agave, since we're not using any type of sugar, we're going to use a natural sweetener, agave. Chia seeds, now completely optional. I like chia seeds. They can have protein and some natural probiotics. Excuse me, can't speak today. So just a little bit to help with that belly burner, right? MCT oil. Now this right here, this is a good secret of mine. Not too many people know about this. Definitely helps with that weight management. Supports healthy body comp, and again, all this is leading to belly burning items. Now this one, I'm using this today. Normally I use some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but for today, since I'm out of milk, I'm going to be putting this in it. That way I'll still have that creamy vanilla taste. And this is keto ice cream, so it's not nowhere near as bad as regular ice cream. And last but not least, one banana, just simply because my bananas are going bad, as you could tell, and I just want to get it out the way. Now you can use protein if you wanted to turn it into a protein smoothie. As you could put protein, you put peanut butter in it. There's a lot of different ways you can go with this. And the last thing I'm going to use after this banana is almonds. So we're going to put almonds in. Now almonds are a fantastic belly burner. You could also use what's the plant called, avocado. But I hate avocado. Sorry if you do like it. But that's also a great belly burner that you can substitute instead of almonds. Now, one thing I will say about the MCT oil is be sure that you only use 1 teaspoon because it's oil. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to use too much. So just FYI. All right, now before we mix this up, I want to be sure that you guys all know that this is all we're going to eat for lunch, and that is it. That's all. There's probably about 500 calories maybe, and again, the purpose here is to burn that belly. We're not doing calorie management necessarily. All right, so that's how you make the smoothie. I would go ahead and do that little cringy, it tastes really good, but I want you guys to find out for yourself. If you guys would like to try this exact recipe that I put together, I will link it in the description. Not link it, but I'll write it down in the description below. And that's all I got for today's video. Like I said, I'll try to do it in under 3 minutes. When I get to editing, I'll make sure it's 3 minutes long. That way you guys can get in and get out. Once again, I want to appreciate you guys for being here. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button, and I will catch you guys next week in the next one. I'm out.